Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove friends on Monopoly Go. So first of all, you have to open up your Monopoly Go application. On your Monopoly Go application, you will see all sorts of options and gameplay over here. So you have to tap on the friends option that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now over here, you have to tap on timeline or leaderboard. In leaderboard, you have to select the friends. Then you will see all of your friends that you have added in this game. I don't have any friends added right now, but still I can guide you through. So when you have selected that friend who you want to remove, you have to tap on his profile icon. Once you tap on his profile icon, you will see a yellow dot that is present below the dice. So you have to tap on that and an option to remove that friend will appear. So you very simply have to tap on that option and you will be able to easily remove friends on Monopoly Go application. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.